Hi, this is Dr. Steve Polis with the Successful Dentists, and I want to talk today about the $30,000 dental challenge. So it's on the website and the Facebook page, 30kdentist.com. And the idea here is to see what it takes to add an additional $30,000 in revenue to your office. Now, some people think, well, 30,000 for a year, that should be pretty easy. And other people say, well, 30,000 for a month, I can do that. And then there's other people that say 30,000 for a day, I can do that. So what we want to do is look at the different categories and the different ways that each of those things can be accomplished. Because in a small rural type of practice, finding the $30,000 a day patient, and even in the big metro practice, sometimes that's hard to find one patient that's willing to spend that much money. Now, there are patients who have some terminal dentition and who have a need for the all-on-4, and ClearChoice has capitalized on that market, and there's a lot of other people that have learned how to go to that market and do best with it. But there's a simple way too. If you look at just adding fluoride and doing $25 fluoride on 6 people, so that would be $250 per day. If you work 18 days, that comes to approximately $2,600 a month. And if you work 12 months, that'll come to about $32,000 a year. So with a simple thing as 6 fluorides a day, either on operative patients or on hygiene patients, you can add $30,000 a year to your income. Now that may not seem like a lot, but if you find 6 or 7 different procedures and 6 or 7 different ways to add the $25 to $200 per day per chair or per doctor or per hygienist, that can add up to a lot, and eventually you'll see, a $300,000 increase in your practice. Now that'll mean a lot to you bottom line, and also in the future when you get ready to bring in a partner, an associate, or sell. So this strategy works for new dentists and older dentists. And I'd encourage older dentists to think about, how do I grow my great practice to an even better practice and get in a position to do an exit strategy. So we want to start collecting ideas, collecting notes, and getting involved in the 30K challenge. What can you do that will bring an extra 30K to your office? Some people can do more crowns. Like if you ask for the second crown when you're doing one, can you do 2? Can you do it 4 to 5 times a month? The average crown fee of $1,000, that's $4,000 or $5,000 a month, times 12 months, that comes to $60,000 a year. So you can see how all of this hitting singles every day turns out to be a lot of big wins. And there's a lot of people in baseball that go for home runs. And it's nice if you're a home run hitter, but a lot of times those home run hitters are the ones that strike out the most. The players that go for singles and doubles always seem to stick around and always are there the longest and have usually the most rewarding long-term career. And that's sort of what I want to do, is I want to have a rewarding career where it's a win-win for everyone involved. I want to have it be a win for the patient, where they get a service that they need and they benefit from and that helps them. I want to have it be a win for the dentist in the office, and that they enhance their revenue, they keep their office in business, and they have money to pay their staff generously and to be able to offer bonuses. Because we're going into an interesting period. We've had the highest inflation in probably 30 years. And it's going to create some problems because food, gas, and housing are all going to go up. If you want to keep good employees and good staff, you want to offer them some benefits also. And with your patients, if you offer them great value, if you come from the heart, and if you're honest in the way you deal with them, they will see that and they'll be happy to have that kind of a dentist in their life. And they'll keep coming back to you. They'll make a way to keep you in their life. So this is our win-win-win. We want to think about the 30K challenge, but it's really the big win challenge, and the 3-way big win challenge. So we'll have the Facebook group, 30K Dentist, and we'll have a website in the future. So stay tuned. We'll have some more announcements on this, and keep on smiling.